What if you could restore your natural firmness and strength with just 60 seconds of simple massage using nothing but your own hands? I'm talking about waking up with the kind of automatic morning response you haven't experienced in years, without pills, without treatments, without embarrassing doctor visits. Just your body working the way it's supposed to. Stay with me for the next few minutes because I'm going to reveal one specific spot on your body that most men don't even know exists and show you exactly how to massage it to bring back those confident mornings. And the best part, you can do this right at home in complete privacy starting tonight. Gentlemen, I'm Dr. Grace Miller, a urologist with over 2 decades of experience helping seniors reclaim their vitality and performance. And today, I want you to imagine waking up tomorrow morning with the kind of firmness and energy you thought was gone forever. No awkward conversations, no risky procedures, no expensive supplements, just one simple massage technique that works with your body's natural systems. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where this magic spot is located, how to massage it properly, and how often to do it for real noticeable results. But first, you need to understand why this actually works, because once you know the science behind it, you'll realize you're not just touching skin. You're activating one of the most powerful circulation systems in your body and giving yourself the natural boost you've been missing. Think of your body like a well-designed machine. For things to work properly down there, 3 systems need to communicate perfectly. Your brain sends arousal signals. Your blood needs to flow freely and powerfully, and your pelvic muscles need to respond quickly and maintain strength. Here's what happens as we age, and this is something most doctors won't take the time to explain. Those signal pathways slow down, like old telephone wires that don't carry messages as clearly anymore. Your blood vessels become less flexible and more restricted, like garden hoses that have been sitting in the sun too long and lost their elasticity. And your pelvic muscles, the ones that help you achieve and maintain firmness, lose some of their strength and responsiveness. This is why those automatic morning moments start fading. After 50 or 60, it's not that your body is broken or damaged. It just needs a little help remembering how to work efficiently again. Why pressure points work? Here's where it gets really interesting. And this is based on thousands of years of traditional medicine combined with modern understanding of anatomy. When you stimulate specific pressure points, you're sending direct wake-up signals through your nervous system. Think of it like jump-starting a car battery. You're bypassing the slow, worn-down pathways and giving your body's natural systems a direct boost of energy and activation. These signals travel instantly to your spine's control center, telling your blood vessels to open up, your muscles to relax and respond, and everything to work together smoothly. But it doesn't stop there. This particular spot also strengthens the muscles deep in your pelvis that help you maintain firmness once you achieve it. So you're not just starting the engine, you're keeping it running strong and reliable the way it used to. The magic spot, your perineum. All right, let's talk about the spot itself. This powerful pressure point is called your perineum. It's located in that small area of skin between your scrotum and your back passage. Some people call it different names, but in medical terms, it's your perineum. Right beneath this external area, just under the skin, sits your prostate gland and a network of crucial nerves and blood vessels that directly control your erections and sexual performance. When you massage the spot with the right technique, you're essentially giving your prostate a gentle external massage, improving blood flow to your entire pelvic region and activating nerves that might have gone dormant over the years. You're not going inside your body, you're working from the outside, which makes this completely comfortable, safe, and easy to do. This spot is like a hidden control hub where important circulation pathways and nerve signals come together. Stimulating it properly can help restore the automatic responses you thought were gone forever. How to find it? Finding your perineum is simple and straightforward. Sit down comfortably in a chair or lie on your back with your knees bent, whichever feels more natural and relaxed. Take your index and middle finger and place them in that soft area between your scrotum and your back passage. Press gently, and you'll feel a slight firmness beneath the skin, almost like a cushion of tissue. That's it. That's your perineum. You'll know you found the right spot because it might feel slightly tender or sensitive, especially if you've never massaged this area before. That tenderness is actually a good sign. It means there's some congestion and restricted circulation that needs to be cleared out. How to perform the 60-second massage. Step 1. Get comfortable. Sit or lie down somewhere private and relaxed. Step 2. Locate the spot using your index and middle finger. Step 3. Apply firm but steady pressure, enough to feel it, but not painful. Step 4. Move your fingers in small, slow circles. Do clockwise circles for 30 seconds, then counterclockwise for 30 seconds, keeping steady pressure. Step 5, breathe deeply. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 2, and exhale through your mouth for 6. That's the complete technique, 60 seconds total. Simple, effective, and powerful. Do this twice daily, once in the morning and once before bed. Morning sessions help wake up circulation. Evening sessions clear out congestion and support overnight repair. You can also do this 15-20 minutes before intimacy for extra blood flow. What to expect? Within the first few days, many men feel increased warmth or tingling in the pelvic area. Within a week, morning firmness and sensitivity often return. By weeks 2-3, clear improvements in firmness and duration appear. By week 4, many men experience a near full restoration of natural function. Results vary. The key is consistency and patience. Advanced tips. Use a bit of natural oil like coconut oil for comfort. Combine this with pelvic floor, Kegel. Exercises, 10-15 squeezes after massage. Stay well hydrated. Circulation depends on it. Try massaging during a warm bath or shower for even better results. Safety notes. Do not massage if you have pain, infection, or open sores. Consult your doctor if you have prostate conditions. Don't overdo it. Twice a day is enough. This technique complements medical care but doesn't replace it. The science behind it? The perineum contains nerve pathways that connect directly to your penis, prostate, and pelvic floor muscles. When you massage it, you stimulate these nerves, boost circulation, and support healthy prostate function. Regular massage helps clear out congestion and improves muscle strength, control, and responsiveness. Combining it with healthy habits like walking, proper hydration, and stress reduction enhances results even more. 30-day challenge. Commit to this 60-second massage twice daily for 30 days. Week 1. Learn the technique. Week 2. Notice the subtle changes. Week 3. Expect stronger, more reliable responses. Week 4. Evaluate progress and make it part of your routine. Final thoughts. You don't have to accept declining performance as part of aging. Your body still has the power to heal and respond naturally when properly stimulated. This perineum massage is simple, safe, and backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. Tonight, take 60 seconds to find your perineum and perform this massage. Do it again in the morning. With consistency, you'll restore circulation, nerve activity, and natural strength, all within your body's own power.